Today, during lunch, the question arose as to what such an office service would cost, which makes you reachable by phone even outside business hours. In fact, I have had to deal with such services in the past, but I just could not imagine whether or in what form such an office service is worthwhile for us. There were simply too many questions, for example, how the calculation and how the processing looks for the customers. So what do you do in such a case? Quite simply, you search on Google. In my case, I entered the following search terms: stay reachable by phone service provider. The first search result shows me an advertisement describing how to set up a personal and individual telephone exchange with a test winner. And if you take a closer look at the website of this provider, he also uses automated video content to pre-qualify his prospects, just like we do. In fact, I didn't even notice it right away, because I'm so used to videos of this type being used all over the internet by now. If you go to Amazon and look at technical devices, it's not uncommon to find video animations explaining the device. Even realtors today use 3D videos to conduct virtual home inspections. And for several years now, just about every car manufacturer has offered an online configuration option where you can put together the vehicle of your choice, not just by color and equipment. No, you can also view the vehicle from all sides as a video in the 3D view or take a virtual tour of the interior. Today we want to use an online solution to create a corresponding animation video. This video should show our target customers that we offer a course on customer acquisition and we would like to tell a short story with simple pictures. For such animation videos you would have needed a lot of time, a very powerful computer and a lot of software a few years ago. Today, you can have it all done online in your own web browser and watch the result directly. In fact, creating such a video takes only a few minutes and the result looks very good. In principle, we simply selected scenes and added text to them. After that, you can arrange the order of the scenes in a way that creates a story. The solution we used offers different formats for this. We chose a 3D representation and a so-called 3D explainer toolkit. In our case, the story shows an unhappy company owner who is unable to make a profit due to poor results and who is looking for a step-by-step solution to regain control over his business. By the way, all these scenes are also available for female actors, depending on the theme you want to portray. You can also use the pre-made scenes and the scenes with whole groups. After all the scenes are put together, we can preview them for free. This is very handy because often you are not completely satisfied with the result and want to change some things. As soon as all scenes fit together and we have adjusted the colors and fonts, we can also choose a music. We chose a cheerful instrumental version here. Our video is all in all less than 2 minutes long. The whole thing is paid with so-called credits. We decided to pay monthly, and as far as I know you can create 5 to 10 videos per month. By the way, there are not only 3D animation videos but actually also very advanced and futuristic animations that you can use. We will certainly go into more detail in the next parts. If you have any questions or suggestions about the content in this video, feel free to email us. We always reply personally and usually within 24 hours. If you need more customers for your own business, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you need faster results, then check out the premium course on our website. For now, thank you for your attention and we'll see you in the next video.